Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah and greetings to everyone. So this is the tutorial video about the program that we made as a university project for our first semester, of course. The program is basically a console-based application named Azan Clock, and I will explain each and every features of this program on the way. But before that, let us take a quick look on the code that we wrote for this program. You can even find the code in the txt file named source code. So now let's go through the code. Okay, let's now start the program. So initially you can see an animation of the program name and it is saying to click anywhere. So let me click on random, and this is our main menu. At first, let me give a quick summary about the program by going to the About menu. And in this menu, you can find the information about the program and its features. You can also find the information about the developers here. And by clicking the escape key, you can go back to main menu. Now let me demonstrate the three main features. First of all, let us go to the clock menu. So this menu will basically show you the default time of your device in both 24 hours and 12 hours format. And if you want, you can change the format by pressing the right shift. So once you press the right shift, it will change to 12 hours format, and if you press the left shift, it will go back to 24 hours format. And to go back, we can press escape key. Now moving on to the next menu, which is Azan timings. uh, Here you can set the prayer times by clicking on edit Azan. Also, it is to be noted that you can only set your prayer times in 24 hours format, and it will show you error if the time input is incorrect. For example, let me show you. Let me take an invalid input. And as you can see, it's showing invalid input. And for the sake of example, let us change the time for Fajr to my current time, and you will see that the audio for Azan will start to play. Now let's do this. Okay, we can wait for the Azan.
الله أكبر الله أكبر.
And as we can see, the Azan is playing right now, and by clicking on spacebar we can stop the Azan. And let's go back to the main menu. So now that's done, let us go back to the main menu and show the final features, which is Dua. Let us click on Dua. Now this menu contains few important duas, and you can listen to the audio of the selected dua and read the meanings also. For example, let me select the dua for guidance.
اللهم إني أسألك الهدى والتقى والعفاف والغنى.
And finally, we can exit the program by clicking on exit. So that's all for this project, and yeah, thanks for sticking with me. Assalamu alaikum.